Welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of changing the domain on your Squarespace website. It's a simple procedure that you can easily accomplish within your Squarespace settings. First, navigate to your Squarespace site and head over to the Settings tab. Here you'll find various options related to your site's configuration. Click on Domains to access the domain settings. You'll see three functions available: Get a Domain, Use a Domain I Own, and Built-in Domain. If you wish to purchase a domain directly through Squarespace, click on Get a Domain. You'll be redirected to a domain search page where you can find and purchase your desired domain. Alternatively, if you already own a domain from another registrar like Namecheap, and select Use a Domain I Own, enter your domain name and follow the provided steps to link it to your Squarespace site. For those currently using Squarespace's built-in domain, such as yoursite.squarespace.com, you can customize it by clicking on Built-in Domain. Simply enter the desired domain name and rename it accordingly. This feature is free of charge. That's all there is to it. You've successfully linked your own domain to your Squarespace website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment, like the video, and consider subscribing for more straightforward tutorials.